My name is Keiron.
You're here with...
I'm with Cardiff Council.
What have you been here today doing?
Presentation with John.
How do you think it went?
Fabulous.
Yeah? You having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My favourite part be a workshop.
Hi, I'm Richie and I'm chairing the conference at the Learning Disability Conference in Swansea today. I'm really enjoying it. It's my first time chairing and it's a water off a duck's back for me, and if they would ask me again if you want to do it again next year, chairing the conference, it's a no-brainer. I would do it. It's easy to do, with a few monologues in here. My favourite workshop is this afternoon's one, which is the Gig Buddies one. Because I'm a participant in Gig Buddies, you learn a little bit more off it, because for the new people, and see what their stories will be off the workshop.